Welcome to 1615 Oleander Greens Trail here in Conroe, Texas. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath here in Ladera Trails. And let's take a look inside. So as you walk in, you have your stairs to your right. You have your family room. This is a closet right here to your right. And here is the kitchen. And it opens up to the dining area. And to your left here, you have your half bath. And your utility area for your washer and dryer. Have a nice view of the backyard. And here it wraps right around up into the family room again. Let's take a look outside. You have a nice sized backyard out here. Perfect for kids or your fur babies. Plenty of side yard. Let's go back inside and take a look upstairs. And with this home, it does come with a refrigerator. So upstairs you have your first bedroom. Right next door you have your second bedroom. This one has double door closets. Right across the hall you have your first full bath. Right here is your third bedroom. And over here on this side, you have your large primary suite. Over here you have your primary bathroom. With a walk-in closet. You have a gorgeous view of the front. Lots of windows for natural lighting. And over here is a bonus walk-in closet. It's going to actually be turned into like a playroom if you have kids, or it's perfect. Okay, again, this is the 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath here in Ladera Trails. It's over 2,200 square feet.